Brakes set, chocks are in, supervisor, clear to spool down.
Chocks inserted on the main gear.
Confirm, continue with the download. All right, bring the tug forward. Watch the clearance on the left. Keep it steady, coming out now. We need to secure the rocket pods before moving the crates. Roger that. Clear the ramp on the left. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Watch your feet on the left. Clear. Keep it steady. Got it. Got it. And down. All right, lift together. Watch the edge. Clear, clear. Bring it down easy. Set it down right here. Next team, let's go. Latch is clear. Get the shoring in place now. Roger. Moving the beams. All right, bring it down slow. Clear on the right. Set it down. Watch the shoring. Copy. Moving up. Next team to the ramp now. All right, easy now. Keep it steady. Clear on the left side. Hold it, hold it. Slow down the tug. Go.
All right, ease it left. Watch your feet.
We got it. Almost there.
And set. Good job.
Push on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it coming. Watch the gap right there. All right, easy on the left side. Clear on the right. Keep it rolling back. Watch the clearance on the ramp.
We need to clear this section first. The support struts have to be detached before we can move it.
All right, get the team on the struts.
All right, clear that forward strap. Copy. Releasing tension now.
All clear back here. All right, team, easy forward movement. Watch your spacing. All right, synchronized push. Ready, set, move. Steady on the wheels. Clear left side. Keep it coming back slowly. All right, keep it coming slow. Watch the clearance on the left. Steady now. All right, team, maintain the push. Watch your spacing. Rolling back, approaching the ramp. Copy that, keep it steady. Keep it coming back, steady down. Watch the clearance on the left.
All right, team, keep pushing.
Watch the wingtip, watch the wingtip. Steady, steady, keep it coming down. Watch the left side clearance. All right, hold it right there. Keep it steady, easy on the brake. We're clear on this side, move up. Easy back, watch the clearance on the left. Rolling, keep it coming. All right, push. 1, 2, 3, keep it steady, watch the left side.
Rolling clear, going down the ramp.
right, keep it coming slow. Watch the shoring. Easy on the brakes. Pull forward 5 more feet. Easy now. Keep it rolling slow. Watch the shoring. Roger that. Almost clear. Chocks engaged. It's secure. Hold it. Hold it. Pull on the chock now. Okay, easy back. Easy back. Slow and steady. Give me another foot. Copy. Moving forward. All right, keep it coming back slow. Whoa, hold it right there. Chocks in. All right, easy now. Keep it coming down. Watch the edge. Clear. Set the chocks. Connect the tow bar now. Watch the shoring on the left. Clear to move. Watch your step with that tow bar. Copy. Moving the flatbed now. Keep it steady. Almost clear.
All right, team. Let's get those last 2 pallets offloaded. Watch the shoring.
We'll go. Moving now. All right, on 3. 1, 2, push. Push. Keep it steady on the left side.
Push! Push! Keep it moving! Push! Keep it moving! Push!
All right, steady push now. Keep it coming. Watch the left side coming around. Watch your spacing on the left. Okay, let's get this moving down the ramp. Push. Harder. Keep it steady. Keep the pressure on the wheels. Steady on the ramp. Watch your spacing. All right, tug. Pull it forward slowly. Keep it steady on the left. Almost clear of the shoring. All right, push it out. Go.